Hello guys, welcome to another day with Solve. So today let's try to solve this circle theorem. It's very easy. So we are told in the diagram that TU here is a tangent to the circle SPQR, and at P, if PETS is 45, which is angle T, remember whenever we have something like this, the angle in the center is the major one that has the point. So here is what 44. And we are told that angle SQP, that is a SQP, which is angle P here, is 45. We are told to find angle PST, which is angle S, is what we are looking for. Now, let's deal with the solution. If we can recall, in order to solve the thing now, if you can recall one of the theorems, it states that the angle between the tangent and the chord through a point of contact is equal to the alternate what segment. Now let's see, now what does that simply mean? Now we know what I just spoke now is just a big grammar. Now it simply means, now let's say we name here y. So now, because although this is not the major place we are told to find, here is what we are told to find, but we need this angle to get here. If you look at it, this is 1 2 3 4, that's a quadrilateral. Okay, so now that means it's simply that means if here is 35, that means here outside here is also what 35. That is angle, that is alternate what segment. That's an alternate segment. So that means we have that y is equals to what 35 degrees. What's the reason? The reason is alternate what segment. That's the reason. If here is 35, that means outside here is what 35. Now because if you just say, let's just say this angle, this included angle now is not here. If you remove this included angle, that means if here is 35, outside here is also what 35. That is alternate what segment. So now we've gotten here to be 35. Now let's try to get our S. Now how do we get our S? Now if you look at here, now cover this side. Now let's neglect the side for a bit. Now we notice that what we have here is a triangle. So that means in order to get this value is going to be S will give us remember we've gotten our y to be 35, so S will give us 180 degrees minus bracket 44 degrees plus y degrees. So, and since our y is already also 35, so what's our reason? The reason here is sum of angles in a triangle. Sum of angles in a what? In a triangle. That's the reason for this now. So that means S will give us 180 degrees minus 44 plus value of y as 35 degrees. So we have here to be 180 degrees minus 44 plus 35 will give us 79 degrees. So that means when you subtract it, 180 degrees minus 79 degrees will give us 101 what degrees, and that's the value of what S, which is what A here. And this is how to deal with this. See you in our next video.